back again to my channel, Classic English Learning, a channel that focuses on the basics of learning to be yourself and being comfortable and confident in the digital world. So in this video, I will explore how to make the best of your college life. Basically, you realize from my previous video that college life is the most exciting stage in anyone's life, but can also be a trying time, especially if you're doing your studies at a college that is far from home and away from your family and friends, with no one close to supervise your movements and watch what you are doing with yourself and also support you in needy times. And if not well guarded, this might result in stress, depression, and anxiety. So in this video, I will explore 5 aspects that you need to seriously consider to make the best of your college life. Here then are the 5 aspects. 1, it is choose your major properly. Go for an area of study that you are really passionate about, guided by your interests, your dreams, and your aspirations. Of course, parents and teachers can help and guide you, but it is you who should really know what you really like and enjoy studying. 2, be ready to adjust, be it academically, socially, psychologically, or emotionally. Academically, at high school, you were being spoon-fed, and at college, there's no spoon feeding. Socially, at high school, you were basically very local with most of your other students and teachers. At college, you are going to meet new faces of students and lecturers. And psychological, at high school, you had little responsibilities, and at college, you are going to have more responsibilities. And emotionally, at high school, you had little demands on you, and at college, you are going to have more demands on you. So basically, see this as an opportunity to grow and develop, to have a successful college life. 3, manage your time properly by setting your priorities right. In my video, this one here, I suggested you stick to the principle of studying, playing, and exercising to maintain a healthy lifestyle that will see you through and make the best of your college life. So try to limit time with friends and time on social media, and also try to avoid serious relationships that might end up encroaching with your set priorities and your time for your studies. And 4, learn to be academically minded for developing an appropriate academic stamina in your studies. And this will open your mind to be analytic and critical, and will improve your intellectual capabilities to enjoy your studies. Do not just be a passive recipient of knowledge, especially in this present day world where you need to be creative and innovative in your thinking and in doing anything. Remember, education is there to help you to open your mind, to learn to think for growth and development. 5, the last but not the least, enjoy your freedom by exploring your independence and executing your responsibilities, and try to be yourself by developing your identity as a person who is comfortable and confident in doing anything at college. And this will help you to make the best of your college life. So there you are. Thanks for watching. And if you find this useful and helpful, thumbs up. And if you've got any questions, you can indicate on the comments box below. And remember to also subscribe, comment, and share. And be yourself and be comfortable and confident in the digital world. Thank you. Bye. And best wishes.